When you first launch Numbers, you'll be prompted to create a new document. Either you'll see a Open File dialog box like this with the New Document button to the bottom left, or you'll see a list of templates. Clicking the New Document button will take you to that list of templates if you don't see it at first. You can also get to this by going to File and then New. From here we can choose from a variety of different templates. We're always going to use this first blank template here. All the projects we do are going to start with this blank template. These other templates are very useful because you can open them up, look at them, see how they work, get ideas from them, see what formulas they use, see what design ideas they use. With this blank template selected, I'm going to click Choose, and this will create a new document. And here we can see that new document with a table already put into place. To save this new document, we're going to go to File, Save, and the first time we do that, we're going to be prompted for a name for this file. Now we can save this file to a number of places. Click this little down arrow here to open up the full Save dialog with the sidebar and access to everything in the Finder. So in this case it's going to default in saving it into the iCloud Numbers folder. But you could save it anywhere. You can save it to the Documents folder in your local drive or anywhere that you want. You give the document file a name,
and then
click
Save
to save
to
the document.